2016 Basics, Part 6, Drawing Tools. In this video, we'll take a look at inserting shapes, drawing lines and arrows, adding a text box, and inserting word art. Inserting shapes. To insert a shape in your document, on the Insert tab in the Illustrations group, click Shapes. Click the drawing tool you want to use from the categories: lines, basic shapes, block arrows, flowchart, callouts, stars, and banners. And click on your document where you want the shape to be. Drawing lines and arrows. Choose a line or an arrow. Click on the page where you want the line to start. Note, to move the line or arrow, click and drag it on the page. Shape Format appears in the ribbon when you click on a shape. From here, you can change the shape style and more. Click on the Insert tab. Choose Shapes, then select the shape you want. I've chosen an arrow in the Lines group. Notice as you move the cursor from the ribbon onto the page, it changes shape to a plus sign. When you find where you want your shape to begin, click and hold the left mouse button and drag it to where you want your shape to end. Release the mouse button. As you release the mouse button, you'll notice Shape Format opens on the ribbon. This is where you can adjust many things about your shape, including the color and weight of the arrow or line. Adding a text box. On the Insert tab in the Text group, click Text Box. Click on one of the built-in text boxes or click on Draw Text Box to create your own. If you create your own, click in the document and then drag and draw the text box to the size you want. To add text to the text box, click inside the text box and then type or paste content. Here we'll be adding a text box by again clicking on the Insert tab and clicking Text Box. From here you can choose a pre-formatted text box or draw your own. I've chosen to draw my own. From here you'll see the mouse changes size into a plus sign. You just drag and draw. When you release the mouse button, the flashing cursor appears inside the text box. Now you can add your text. Click anywhere outside the box to finish. Now I'm going to add another text box under the pie. I'm able to change the size of my text box, just as you can change the size and shape of a picture by clicking and dragging the circles at the edge of the box. I can also move the box on the page by clicking and dragging the edge of the box. Click outside the box to finish. To format text in the text box, click on the box and the Shape Format tab appears. This is where you can change the text direction, shape, style, and other effects. To position the text box, click on the outer edge, and then when the pointer becomes a 4-pointed arrow, drag the box to the new location. To delete a text box, simply click on its border and click the Delete key on your keyboard. Inserting word art. On the Insert tab in the text group, click Word Art. Click the word art style you want. Type your text in the text box and edit it as you like. Click anywhere outside the word art text box to end. When you click on word art, the Shape Format tab appears at the top of the page. This is where you can change the text direction, word art styles, and more. To delete word art, simply click on the border and click the Delete key on the keyboard. On the Insert tab in the text group, click Word Art. Click on the word art style you want, including the text shape, color, and effects like shadows and outlines. Enter your text in the box and edit as you like. When you click on word art, the Shape Format tab appears at the top of the page. This is where you can change the text direction, word art styles, and more. Click anywhere outside the word art text box to end. Here I'm going to change the word fun by highlighting the word and then choosing the style I like from the word art styles area. I like that yellow one. Next, I'm going to change the word is by again highlighting the word and now choosing the color I'd like it to be. Red looks fun. To delete word art, simply click on the border and click the Delete key on the keyboard. For extra practice, try an online class through Midpoint Library's lynda.com. Or go to www.gcflearnfree.org and click on the technology box. Thanks so much for stopping by.